Today you're going to be learning how to play Dance Monkey. I've changed the key to make it a little bit easier to find the keys, all right? So we're going to be doing this in E minor, which means we're starting on an E in the bass, and we're going to be playing the G and the B in the right hand. So first I'm just going to play it through. There's an easier version that we can do that sounds like this. Which might be a lot easier if you want to sing along with it, okay? So, E, let's just learn the bass line. The bass line is all centered around the two black keys here. So we're going to go E, and then we're going to go to C, and then we're going to go up to D, and then down to B. So we're kind of skipping every other one. E, C, D, B. Try that with me. E, C, D, and B. If you need more practice, go ahead and rewind that and do that again. In the right hand, we're going to go right around these three black keys. And we're going to start with G and B, okay? There's going to be 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to go to E and G, so the G stays the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do that again from the G and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we're going to go up to F sharp and A. Okay, those two right there. Again, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then D and F sharp. So the F sharp stays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we start again. G and B. Then we're going to E and G. F sharp and A. D and F sharp. Do that with me. G and B. E and G. F sharp and A. D and F sharp. One more time. G and B, E and G, F sharp and A, D and F sharp. Let's put this simple way together. We're going to add that in with our bass. Okay, nice and slow, right with me. 1, E and G, F sharp and A, F sharp. We're playing E minor chord, C major chord, D major chord, and B minor chord. E minor, C major, D, B minor. Now, to do it a little fancier, all you need to do is start doing those 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep the bass just this simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to go one level up, then you're going to start doing this rhythm. There's basically 3, but it's in a very syncopated rhythm. So we have 3 E's, 3 C's, 3 D's, and 3 B's. We add our right hand in. Trouble putting that together, let's break it down. And we're going to play 1, 2, 3, and then on 4, you're going to play again. So 1, 2, 3, and 7 you're going to be playing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's basically all you need to do. That's the Dance Monkey piano. If you wanted to play it in the original key to play along with the song, all you're going to do is shift up and you're going to start doing it on F sharp. So it's an F sharp minor chord, D major chord, E major chord, C sharp minor chord, F sharp minor chord, D major chord, E major chord, C sharp minor chord. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, good luck. Hope you like it. And let me know how it goes.